Hi Doodles, Smurf here. Do you say I can't draw? Well, I'm here to show you that you can. Drawing is a skill much like any other, and skills are learned by repetition and practice. I'm an art school dropout. What my art school did teach me before I left was that you can in fact teach yourself. So I'm going to go back to the basics just for you, and I'm going to do it right now. You're going to need two things: a scrap piece of paper and a pencil. So what you're going to do is exactly what I'm doing. Oops, I forgot the capital. So you get the point. What you didn't know was that you already know how to draw. These are characters. We know them as the alphabet, but as you can see, they have shapes. All drawing is a bunch of shapes. So for example, if I want to draw some grapes, it's not going to be a realistic set of grapes. I would draw some circles. We all know how to draw circles. That's a rectangle, kind of. And this is a funny oval with some pointy ends. And that's a line, that's a line, that's a line, that's a line, and that's a line. Now, you can tell that that is grapes. And I could colour it in right now and make them purple and those green, and you would know it was grapes. So, if you can do this, which I'm sure you can, then you already can draw. The point is, we need to learn how to draw better. That takes practice and pretty much just practice, but you need to learn in the correct way. Drawing this over and over again, just roughly, is not going to make me any better at drawing grapes, is it? The reason why you can already draw as well by drawing these characters is when you draw these characters, as you can see, most of them come from basic shapes. So an A, if you do it soft like that, is a soft triangle, or maybe you draw your A like this. So you can already do a triangle. If you look at the top of that A, it kind of already looks like a pencil, right? Maybe you do your A like this. Well, that's the tip of a pencil. So lines, and then we've pretty much got a good pencil, even if we just go like that. And that's part of a circle. So drawing in itself is not actually that hard. If you've always thought, I can't draw, you can. And I'll show you how to get better at it. If you're keen to join me as we craft our artistic skill one step at a time, perhaps consider subscribing to my channel so you can receive a notification when I have uploaded another lesson. See you next time!